Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, your go-to destination for all things beauty and skincare. Today, we're diving deep into the magic behind the TruSkin Vitamin C Serum, a product that's been making waves in the skincare world. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. This serum is formulated with powerful ingredients like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E, all aimed at giving your skin that youthful, radiant glow. And it's not just about looks, this serum also claims to target dark spots, even out skin tone, and combat fine lines and wrinkles. Plus, it's suitable for most skin types. Sounds like a skincare dream, right? Check out this sleek design and lightweight texture. It's non-greasy and absorbs quickly, making it a great addition to your morning or nighttime skincare routine. Let's talk ingredients. First up, vitamin C, a potent antioxidant known to brighten skin and reduce signs of aging. Paired with hyaluronic acid, this serum locks in moisture for a plump, hydrated finish. And don't forget vitamin E, which helps protect your skin from environmental stressors like pollution. This trifecta of ingredients works together to give you smooth, glowing skin while addressing common skincare concerns like dark spots and dullness. Using the TruSkin Vitamin C Serum is super easy. Here's how. Start with a clean, dry face. Apply 3 to 5 drops of the serum to your fingertips. Gently pat it onto your skin, focusing on areas like the forehead, cheeks, and chin. Pro tip, always follow up with a moisturizer to seal in the benefits, and, during the day, don't forget your sunscreen. So, what are people saying about it? The reviews speak for themselves. Customers rave about visible results within just a few weeks, smoother skin, reduced dark spots, and a radiant complexion. Some even call it their holy grail skincare product. Of course, as with any product, results can vary. Some users recommend starting slowly if you have sensitive skin, just to make sure it works well for you. So, is the TruSkin Vitamin C Serum worth it? If you're looking for a lightweight, effective serum to brighten and hydrate your skin, this one's definitely worth a try. And at its price point, it's a great investment for your skincare routine. You can grab your own bottle from the link in the description below. And don't forget to check for special deals or bundles to save even more. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell for more beauty reviews. Let me know in the comments, have you tried the TruSkin Vitamin C Serum? What did you think? Until next time, keep glowing and stay fabulous.